You marched through the pantry, raided the sugar, and brought friends?
It was a team-building exercise.
There were hundreds of you.
We believe in strong community values.
And you built a nest in the dishwasher?
Look, it was warm, cozy, and had excellent drainage.
Got an ant infestation? Call the pest control guy. Antoine and his son will stop the swarm before it starts. Visit thepestcontrolguy.ca. Serving Calgary, Airdrie, Cochrane, and Chestermere.